Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually going to be decorating my living room space. We are going to be transforming it into a Scandinavian Christmas wonderland. So stay tuned and check it out. So the first thing, remove everything. I'm actually going to be rearranging some of these things and just kind of replacing any fall elements that I had as far as decoration. And look at Sophie, she looks so cute. And I do have a fake tree. Milo, my cat, likes to climb inside of the tree, so we just decided to get a fake tree for now. This one is about like 3 years old, but it does the trick. I found these hooks that kind of look like wooden style at the Dollar Tree, and that is exactly what I'm going to be using to hang up my stockings. Originally, I did place them side by side, but then I had a decorative piece that I wanted there instead, so I ended up moving them. And this is the final look. For the next area, which is going to be where my console table is, don't mind the hole there, by the way, that is Milo, that he likes to go out to the window to see things. But I'm going to be putting in these houses that I found at Target. Actually, most of these pieces are from Target, the candle, the large pine tree as well. And then I'm just going to be incorporating some wooden trees. I absolutely love how this table came out. I think it is just the perfect mixture of elements, and it screams my Scandinavian theme that I'm going for. Now, the best part, hanging up all of those ornaments that I DIY'd. I personally like to hang up my ornaments at nighttime so that way I can see where the light is shining on the ornaments. It's just a personal preference, but I just generally enjoy doing it at nighttime. And as you can see, these ornaments really just match that whole Scandinavian vibe that I'm really going for this season. I just really like the colors, the different textures, those hunter green tones, those soft cream colors. And I just grabbed some old ornaments and painted them, and it gave them a whole new look. As far as for the garland, I'm going to be using this wood bead garland here so that way it also incorporates that wood element into the tree. I am just going to be adding this sign here that I found at Target. And here is my Scandinavian Christmas wonderland. As you can see, all of the different elements really came together. I incorporated a lot of wood accents, the wood tones with the cream color, as well as that hunter green really complement one another. And as you can see, the theme is carried out into the console table as well as the entryway, from the hooks to the ski sign to the houses. All of the different elements that we decorated with really just complement one another. It all looks very cohesive and it comes together very, very nicely. Now, the wood bead garland is something that you can create yourself. I just happened to find it, so I just bought it instead. But by all means, you can order a ton of wood beads on Amazon and create your own garland as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this Decorate Christmas with Me session, and I hope that this also inspired you to have some fun with your DIYs and create your own space and make it your own. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss any future content in this channel. I'll see you all next week. Bye!